In this video, I'd like to review some of the formatting options for cells. You can see on the ribbon here that we have the same or similar formatting options that we had in Microsoft Word. On the Home tab, we have a font grouping where you can change the name of the font, the size, the color, whether you want it bold, italic, underline. We also have an alignment tab where we can align text left, center, right, and we have some abilities here to wrap text in a cell, which is unique to the Excel spreadsheets. And then we have some number options. So let's just review some of the number options quickly. If you select the cells and click on the extended menu option, you can see for numbers we could increase the number of decimal places we'd like to show. We can use a comma separator if we'd like. You can also decide how you want to display your negative numbers, with a minus or in red in parentheses. There are also currency formatting options. Other options here that you may want to take a look at, but we'll just review the basic ones now. You can see my 5,000 now has that comma to separate the numbers. If you select the cells, you can also format the numbers using the quick buttons here. You could increase the number of decimal places or decrease. You could choose a currency format. And in addition to that is the percentage. You see here I have the percentages as a decimal display. We could change to use the percent style. And on some assignments you may be asked to show the percent decimal places. If you notice here, my percent was 76. When I increase the decimal place you could see it's really 75.88 because it rounded up when I decreased the decimal places. To format a word wrap, you can click Wrap Text and it'll make the cell big enough for all your text. Or from the number drop down here, you could choose alignment, and instead of wrapping the text, you could shrink to fit. A few other quick formatting options, often used with text, but you could also use them with numbers, is alignment. We saw this earlier, wrapping text or shrinking to fit, or you could even change the alignment in the cell. You can change the font. You could apply a border. You could apply an outline border. You could change the style of the border and apply it in the center. You could also make the color blue. You can also use a fill option. You can select a color for a fill. When you have all the formatting features selected that you'd like, you click OK. And if you click over here, you'll see that those cells have been formatted with a fill and with that border in the middle. So again, to format cells, you can use the font grouping, the alignment grouping, the buttons on the number grouping, and the extended number formatting menu.